Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn about spinners in Android. A spinner is a UI component that provides a drop-down menu with a list of items. Users can select one item from the list. The selected item is displayed in the spinner when it is closed. And to create a spinner, let's move to the layout. And here I start with the spinner tag, wrap content. I'll give it an ID called my spinner. You can see our spinner appears here in the layout. I'll drag and drop it to here and infer the constraints. Here we go. This is our spinner. Now let's move to the main activity and initialize this spinner. I'll start with val spinner. It's of type spinner. Import the class of the spinner. Find view by id r.id.mySpinner. This is how we initialize the spinner in Android. We need to create an array of strings in order to populate and display the items of the spinner. So this array will act as a data source for the spinner to display the items in the drop-down menu. I created this array called operating systems. It's an array of Windows, iOS, Android, and Linux strings. These are the items that I want to display in the drop-down menu in the spinner. Again, guys, the first step is to create the view, which is the spinner. The second step is to create the data source, which is the array. The third step is to link the view with the data source. And this is done with the help of adapters. An adapter is a crucial component that acts as a bridge between the data and the UI components. Adapters are commonly used to bind data to the views in widgets like holistic view, recycler view, spinners, and others. In our example, we're going to use an array adapter, which is an adapter. And this type of adapters, the array adapter, is used to bind an array of data with the spinner. It converts each item in the array to a view that can be displayed in the UI, and which is in this case spinner. So I need to populate and display this list inside the spinner, inside this drop-down menu. You can create an instance of ArrayAdapter by providing a reference to the context, a layout resource for the appearance of each item in the list, and the data source, an array or a list. And in this case, it's an array called operating systems. Val adapter equals to ArrayAdapter. And here I need to pass the parameters. The first parameter is the context. The second parameter, or this, because we are working here in the main activity. The second parameter is the layout resource, and I'll specify android.r.layout.simpleSpinnerItem. This layout is used for the appearance of each item when the spinner is closed. And the third parameter is the array that you want to publish, which is in this case called operating systems. Here, how we create an adapter. We pass the context at the first parameter. The second parameter is the layout for every item, and this is already made and included in Android packages. Operating system is the array that you want to use to populate its items in the view. The last step is to set the adapter to a view. So after creating the array adapter, you need to set it to the spinner or a list view or any other views. But in this case, we need to set it to the spinner. I'll use spinner.adapter equals to adapter. So I'm setting this adapter to the spinner.adapter method. Let's run our application and call this function called displaySpinner in the onCreate method. Let me run again. And here we go. This is our drop-down menu. This is our spinner. Click on it, Windows, iOS, Android, and Linux. And you can select and it will appear here. Now let's handle the click events and the selection of these items in the spinner. I want from you to focus with me because in this spinner, handling the item selection is different.